Today's topic is Grow Faster with AI plus Smart Services. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the Raja Freelance channel. If you're looking to grow your business online without stress, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how rajafreelance.com becomes your all-in-one partner for content writing, graphic design, AI-powered marketing, and complete digital growth. If you want smart results without wasting time or money, this is the video you don't want to skip. First, let's talk about content. We create clean, simple, SEO-friendly content that ranks, whether you need blog posts, website pages, social media captions, product descriptions, or full ebooks. Our secret? We combine expert writing skills with top AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and SurferSEO to make sure your message is powerful, accurate, and optimized for search engines. Next, graphic design and branding. From YouTube thumbnails and Canva designs to full business branding kits, we create visuals that actually get attention. AI tools like Canva Magic Studio and automation workflows help us deliver fast, high-quality results. And of course, digital marketing and AMP automation. If you want to grow faster, we set up smart marketing systems using tools like Zapier, Make, N8N, and AI-powered marketing automation. These tools help businesses attract more customers, reply faster, and save hours every single day. In short, whether you're a startup, freelancer, coach, agency, or local business, rajafreelance.com gives you everything you need to grow online without hiring multiple teams. Here's what makes us different. 1. Human quality content supported by AI precision. 2. Fast delivery with automation tools. 3. Simple, clean English that's easy for anyone to understand. 4. SEO-built digital content for long-term ranking. 5. Affordable packages for small businesses and freelancers. 6. Expert guidance from a team with 15+ years of experience. Our goal is simple: to help you work smarter, not harder, using the right mix of AI tools and proven marketing strategy. If you're ready to upgrade your brand, boost your online presence, or automate your marketing, visit rajafreelance.com today. You can request a free consultation, check our service list, or start your project instantly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on AI tools, digital marketing tips, and smart business growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.